morning, students. Welcome to e-learning. Today, we are going to start with our second topic, that is nature of unemployment and types of unemployment in our sixth chapter, that is unemployment. Okay. Now, on the first lecture, we have studied introduction as well as the meaning of unemployment, where we know that unemployment is a situation where we find that a person is ready to work, willing to work, but he does not get a job. That's why he is called as what? Unemployed. But here there are several causes or several measurement why there is an unemployment which has been there, which we are going to learn in nature of as I have given a quick brief information about the nature of unemployment, but here we are going to study with a detailed one. So let's start first with our nature of unemployment. Now, nature of unemployment says that it shows, as per the Sri Raj Krishna Committee report of 2011 and 12, which has been given four measures that we know, that is time. The first one is the time. Now, if a person is has a willingness and to work, but does not get work for more than 28 hours a week, मतलब per week 28 hours of job he is not getting, then he is said to be intensively unemployed. मतलब एक पर्सन है, उसको 28 आवर्स इन अ वीक के लिए जॉब नहीं मिल रहा, तो उसको अनएम्प्लॉयड बोलते हैं. Why it's so? Because those who are employed more than 28 hours or less than 42 hours in a week, they are considered as less intense unemployed. मतलब जो लोग 42 आवर्स से कम और 28 के बीच में आ रहे, उन लोग को लेस एम्प्लॉयड बोलते हैं. तो उसके 28 से अंदर आते तो उसको तो अनएम्प्लॉयड ही बोलेंगे. यस, बिकॉज दोज पर्सन आर नॉट वर्किंग एज पर दिस रिक्वायरमेंट. सपोज आप अगर देर आर 7 days in a week, if there is a minimum requirement of 42 hours, so 42 divided by 7, तो per day 6 hours ही वो काम कर रहे हैं. तो 6 hours is a very less amount of job which they are doing. Okay, I'm talking about the job. Okay, so what is happening up here कि वो 6 hours पर डे जॉब अगर वो नहीं कर पा रहे, उससे भी कम कर रहे, तो उसको क्या बोलेंगे? अंडर एम्प्लॉयड. बिकॉज वो कब कैसे आ जाएंगे? लेस देन 28 आवर्स. अगर इसको 28 आवर्स को डिवाइड बाई 7 करो तो कितना हो जाएगा? इट इज़ नियरली 4 आवर्स. सो 4 to 6 आवर्स के बीच में जो काम करो उसको लेस इंटेंस एम्प्लॉयड बोलते हैं, अनएम्प्लॉयड बोलते हैं. इफ दे आर वर्किंग लेस देन 4 आवर्स इन अ डे, if their average time is less than 4 hours, so what is happening? They are coming under employment. So this is what the time says about that. When you're not getting job for more time period, मीन्स आप पर डे 8 to 10 आवर्स नहीं काम कर रहे हो, तो आप अंडर एम्प्लॉयड में आ जाते हो. सो दिस इज वॉट इट इज़ बिन टेलिंग अप. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस, अगर टाइम कम है तो पैसे भी कम मिलेंगे. यस, द मेजर फैक्टर इज वॉट इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द टाइम. सो व्हेन यू हैव अ लेस अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क टाइम, you find that less amount of money is being given to you. So this is what is happens under a job. A particular job depends upon the time and the productivity which you give. So here the time is a major factor where people, like not we, but we find that people like laborers are there, workers are there, helpers are there, they are not getting job for more than 28 hours in a week or 42 hours in a week. So 42 से 28 hours के अंदर मिलता है, लेकिन उन लोग को इतना पैसे भी नहीं मिलते. अगर उससे भी कम में उन लोग को जॉब मिले तो they are coming under unemployment. So this is the major factor, that is the time. Then after you find that income. So when a person gets very less income which cannot solve the problem of his poverty, then from his income point of view he is poor. Yes, अगर आप सोच रहे हो कि you should have this much income and upon that this much income will be enough to satisfy your needs, wants and we can say your house, family house. So you find that अगर उससे भी कम इनकम आ रही है तो आप अंडर एम्प्लॉयड हो. सो आप क्या सोचते हो कि मैं गरीब हूँ, मैं पुअर हूँ. सो दिस इज व्हाट इज हैपनिंग अप. सो इन रूरल इंडिया स्पेशली दिस टाइप ऑफ पॉवर्टी इज बीन सीन. रूरल इंडिया में क्यों? बिकॉज इन रूरल पीपल, रूरल एरियाज यू फाइंड दैट लेस अमाउंट ऑफ we can say job opportunities are there. So for example, a person required 30,000 per month for satisfying his needs of his family. मतलब एक person है वो कमा रहा है, उसको 30,000 चाहिए per month. Okay, so that he can satisfy himself as well as his family. So what is happening? But his earning is only half of it, that is 15,000. So what is happening up at the present job which he is getting only 15,000. What happens? He is not satisfied. When he is not satisfied, he thinks he is a poor because he is not able to satisfy his family needs. फैमिली की नीड्स वो सेटिस्फाई नहीं कर पा रहा. तो यही एक प्रॉब्लम है. वी कैन से कि इनकम इज़ अ मेजर रोल फॉर पॉवर्टी, वेयर because poverty has been calculated on the basis of mostly income. Because if you are not having income, you are not having good food, good nutritive food से आप नहीं अच्छे काम नहीं कर पाओगे. ये सब वगैरह फैक्टर्स in it has been going on. So major factor in rural India is about the income, where they are not getting the prominent amount of money to satisfy their family. for living and satisfy their family. So this is again a second factor, that is income after time. Now the third factor is willingness, ichha. So person is eligible of getting job, but he or she does not get job as per his her ability and accepts lower credit job and gets very less income from his job, then he's underemployed. Magar, so this is again I explained you that suppose you're having willingness to go with the same field which you are there, you want to go, suppose you want to do you are an MBA person and you want to go with management work, but it is been given to you like clerk work. What is happening up? You are underemployed, means you should be an assistant manager, you should be a manager post, or we can say officer post when you are doing an MBA. But if you are getting less job, or we can say less post than your qualification, that time you are coming under an underemployment. So here example is given, if a CA is CA has to work as a clerk. अगर एक CA है, एक person has there, he has done a good big professional course, a main first course in commerce field, that is CA, chartered accountant. You find that suppose he has given a work of clerk, what happens, what does the thing which we happening, because though he is not getting his job, he is not having any own consultancy, suppose he due some XYZ reason he has to work as a clerk, so that per time that thing can be called as what, underemployment. मतलब आपकी कैपेबिलिटी से आपको कम वाली पोस्ट मिले, आपको लो पोस्ट मिले, उस टाइम पे you find that because of the other factors, external situations, you have to go with that particular job, that time you are called as underemployment. Clear? So this is what a person is willingness to work, he has a capability, ability to do more work as per his qualification, as per his skill, or as per his ability, but that person has given low credit job, that time it becomes, he is called as underemployed. When he is getting employed, he is called as what, underemployed, because though he can get a high grade of income, but he has given a low grade of job with low grade of income. So this is what third one, that is willingness. Now the last one is the productivity. Now when a laborer is working with a less than his actual productivity, then the production is less than his productive capacity. Yes, means you have the capability to produce more in a production sector, in a, we can say, man-made we can say things which production can be done. So where he can do more amount of job, he can produce more amount of products, that time that person has not given much work to do, and he has been seated idle for that particular job. What is happening at that time, the productivity of that particular person is not utilized much. मतलब अगर वो पर्सन की कैपेसिटी उसको वो ज़्यादा प्रोड्यूस कर सकता है, ही हैज़ द टैलेंट, एबिलिटी एंड स्किल टू गो विथ मोर प्रोडक्शन, बट ही हैज़ नॉट गिवन दैट मच टारगेट और दैट मच वर्क टू गो विथ दैट पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्शन, उसकी जगह उसको अंडर बहुत कम प्रोडक्शन करने के लिए टाइम दिया, तो मीन्स टाइम इज गिवन बट बहुत कम प्रोडक्शन करने के लिए प्रोडक्ट्स दिया, तो दैट टाइम यू फाइंड दैट ही इज बीन कॉल्ड एज व्हाट, अंडर प्रोडक्टिव. सो यू फाइंड दैट फॉर एग्जाम्पल अ पर्सन कैन मेक 20 मीटर ऑफ क्लोथ्स इन अ डे, एक दिन के अंदर वो 20 मीटर्स बना सकता है, ही हैज़ द कैपेसिटी, बट ही गेट्स अ जॉब वेयर ही कैन ओनली मेक 10 मीटर्स ऑफ क्लोथ्स. दैट टाइम द प्रोडक्टिविटी ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन इज नॉट मैक्सिमम यूटिलाइज, उसका मैक्सिमम यूटिलाइज नहीं किया जा रहा है, एंड इसके वजह से you find that he has given a less amount of money because the less of production, because from the above only he has given order to produce less, though he has a capacity. So ultimately when this type of things are happening up, that is time, income, willingness and productivity, these are the four measures which we have find, and because of this you find that a person is coming under unemployment and or the underemployment, where he is getting low level of or low credit of job or low level of income. So these are the four measures or four natures of the types of unemployment, sorry, natures of the unemployment. Now we are going to go with the types of unemployment. So let's look, there are 5 types of unemployment. First is open unemployment, second is under unemployment, then after discuss unemployment, then we find that cyclic unemployment, and lastly frictional unemployment. So these are the 5 categories, types of unemployment which we are going to learn in this chapter. Now today's in this lecture I'm going to take with the 2 topics, that is open unemployment and underemployment. Clear? So let's go with it. Now open unemployment we have studied in the meaning itself, that is it says then those individuals who are ready to work at a current wage rate and possess qualification to but do not get any job are said to be fully unemployment or open unemployment. मतलब एक person is ready, his willingness, he is able to do work with the current wage rate. Okay, with if you have remember the first lecture PQ के definition में current wage rate आया था. Yes, so you find it at a current wage rate he is ready to go with uh, doing the work, but still he does not get a job. That time he is called as what? Open unemployment. अनएम्प्लॉयड बोल रहे हैं क्यों? क्योंकि उसको जॉब ही नहीं मिल रही. ही इज रेडी टू वर्क, ही इज एबल टू वर्क विद करंट वेज रेट ऑल्सो, नो प्रॉब्लम. ही वांट द जॉब, बट स्टिल the job is not given to him. He does not find the job. That time you find that it is open unemployment which has been caught, and this becomes a major problem in India itself. This type of unemployment is seen more in the cities than the villages. Yes, क्यों? क्योंकि सिटीज़ में ये सारे प्रॉब्लम ज़्यादा रहते हैं. एजुकेटेड पीपल्स आर गोइंग विद द इंडस्ट्री सर्विस सेक्टर, बट स्टिल दे आर नॉट गेटिंग जॉब for their own because though of the other reasons, we can say competition, or people who are the employers are not able to not willing to give this much amount of money. Open unemployment people are those who migrate from village to cities in search of job. Yes, ज़्यादातर ये चीज़ विलेजेस लोग यहाँ पे आते हैं और उन लोग को फेस करनी पड़ती है, बिकॉज यू फाइंड दैट इन विलेज देर आर लेस जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज. व्हेन दे हैव द कैपेसिटी दे ट्राई टू कम टू मूव टू माइग्रेट फ्रॉम विलेज टू cities, and in cities when they does not find the job, that time they become unemployment, or we can say open unemployment. Yes, so this why it has been happening up here in this urban cities, or we can say cities areas. People suffering from open unemployment are educated, less trained or skilled persons. यहाँ पे कौन कौन लोग सफ़र कर सकते हैं? It can be an educated person, it can be a skilled person, it can be less trained person but skillful person. We can also say trained नहीं है लेकिन skill तो होगी, तो वो वाले फैक्टर्स अफेक्ट करते हैं इन लोग को. अगेन यू फाइंड दैट पीपल with open unemployment cannot work and cannot get job, cannot get work, but such people consume goods. Yes, agar those people who came from village to cities for searching of job, they does not get a job, but still they are trying and they are surviving here in the city. So when they will survive, when they have to consume some food, मतलब उन लोगों को खाने पीने के लिए कुछ तो चाहिए. यस, सो अगर अल्टीमेटली जॉब नहीं है लेकिन एक्सपेंस तो हो रहा है, तो व्हेन देयर इज़ एन एक्सपेंस यू फाइंड दैट उन लोगों के पास इनकम नहीं है, सेविंग्स खत्म हो रही है, एक्सपेंस हो रहा है, तो अल्टीमेटली वो किस कैटेगरी में आएगी? दे बिकम द बर्डन एंड द रीज़न फॉर लो प्रोडक्टिविटी. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट उन लोगों को जॉब नहीं मिल रही, एक्सपेंस ज़्यादा हो रहा है, दे विल कम अंडर प्रेशर, डिप्रेशन, एंड यू फाइंड दैट द प्रोडक्शन व्हेन दे गेट अ जॉब, द प्रोडक्टिविटी विल बिकम lesser. Less productivity is being given by them. So open unemployment can be seen among the age group of 15 to 25 years. मतलब 15 साल से लेके 25 साल वाले बच्चे लोग जो विलेजर्स यहाँ से अर्बन सिटीज़ में आते हैं, उन लोगों को अंदर ज़्यादा दिखता है. ऐसा नहीं है कि इन सिटीज़ ओनली, बट फ्रॉम द विलेजेस टू सिटीज़ यू फाइंड दैट द पीपल कमिंग फ्रॉम द एज ग्रुप 15 to 25 आर सीइंग द मोस्ट. Now with a proper number, unemployed people is very difficult. मतलब to measure करने के लिए, if you want to measure, we can say how much open unemployment is there in our country, there are 3 different methods, but still it is very difficult to measure. So here are the 3 methods. First, through registration of employment exchange center. मतलब how many of them want job, just go with registration. There is an registration for employment exchange center and you can register, and from that how many people are employed and how many are unemployed we can just measure, but many of them are not entering or not, we can say, registering them. Second, you find through sample survey of labor supply. Yes, we can go with going surveys, but लेकिन surveys कहाँ पे करें? Everywhere when you are going with surveys, there are some or the other factors which are affecting, or many persons does not give the correct information. So again, it becomes a problematic thing. And third, through census. Through census, we can just make an approximate percentage, or we can say group of analyze that this many percentage of people are not employed or they are openly unemployed, we can say. So these are the 3 various way, though it is difficult, but still our economics or researchers, they try to go with going with this particular 3 types of method to survey whether how many percentage or how many lakhs of people are unemployed or openly unemployment in our country. So this is what openly unemployment is been there. So you just remember that when a person is has a willingness able to work with a current wage rate, but still he does not find job or does not get a job, at that particular time he is called as fully unemployed, or we can say open unemployment. With the age group of 15 to 25 years, mostly it is seen from in the cities, because villagers try to come from village to cities, they migrate for the job and they does not get a job many times. As well as you find that those people may be educated, less trained, or we can say a skillful person, but still does not get a job. And finally, through we can say, when they does not get a job, but still there is a we can say consumption factor which affects them, so they have to do minimum consumption expenditure, which becomes a burden from them, and it is the reason for low productivity which we find. And through three different ways we find we can measure the particular unemployment, but still it is very difficult, like through registration of employment exchange center, through sample survey of labor supply, and through census report. Now moving to the last, or we can say second topic, or that is under unemployment. So, or we can say underemployment, when a laborers cannot utilize their capacity for full, and we can say for certain period except less capable job, is called as unemployed. मतलब एक पर्सन के पास कैपेसिटी है लेकिन उसके फुल्ली यूटिलाइज नहीं कर रहे, तो उस टाइम पे वो टाइम पीरियड के अंदर हम बोलेंगे ही इज अंडर एम्प्लॉयड. When a laborer is willing and ready to work for a certain years or days but get job less than those hours and days, then he is said to be underemployed. अगर एक person अच्छे से काम करना चाहता है, he can go with years together, or we can say days together, but still he is given less amount of work with hours and days, that time that particular person can be called as underemployed. So for example, a laborer is working in an industry or agricultural land for 5 years instead of 8 hours, then he is said to be underemployed. Yes, मैंने ये example दिया था last lecture में with when I was giving brief of nature of, we can say, underemployment. तो उस टाइम पे मैंने ये दिया था कि भाई एक पर्सन 5 hours ही इज वर्किंग, though he can work for 8 hours or more than that, but he has given only work for 5 years in no matter it is an industrial sector or agricultural sector. That time that particular person, he is not able to utilize his maximum time because he has not given that particular time also. So उस टाइम पे हम बोलेंगे underemployment. Again, this it's find in again rural areas because seasonal unemployment होता है. Now see what is seasonal unemployment? Seasonal unemployment is nothing but we can say when there is a season, you find that like harvesting season is there, तो उस टाइम पे farmers लोग ज़्यादा laborers को hire करेंगे for harvesting, and after harvesting is been completed you find that the laborers again are been unemployed. Same way crop roping होता, तो जब crop they want to go with growing the crop seeds to be sown, that time you find that laborers are being hired, and after that when seeds are sown you find that they are been again unemployed. So this particular thing you find that mostly is in agriculture sector in a rural area where farmers try to give the seasonal job for the laborers, and apart from the season you find that the laborers are unemployed. So this is what is happening up under this. So because of agriculture sector we get sector gets work only during the sowing and harvesting season. See, I told you like sowing and harvesting season के time पे ही उन लोग को job मिलता है, उसके अलावा they are unemployment for rest of the time, and that's why it is called as seasonal unemployment. तो ये हम ज़्यादातर कहाँ पे देखेंगे, यहाँ पे. So again in sowing and harvesting also they are given work for limited time period. यही बात हुई ना. Yes, what was been given in the definition, like they are given for less year, he can go with years together, days together, but because of that यू फाइंड दैट उन लोग को कम जॉब दिया जाता है, कम टाइम पीरियड के लिए दिया जाता है, उस टाइम पे वो अंडर एम्प्लॉयड हो जाते हैं. अगेन इन इंडियन एग्रीकल्चर इज बेस्ड ऑन मानसून ड्यू टू लिमिटेड इरीगेशन फैसिलिटी. एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर फेसेस सीजनल नेचर ऑफ अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट. तो ये जाहिर सी बात है, इंडिया इज एन एग्रीकल्चर कंट्री, एंड अगेन इट डिपेंड्स ऑन व्हाट, एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर डिपेंड्स ऑन द मानसून, द नेचुरल कैलामिटीज. सो natural factor, that is monsoon. So when depends on the monsoon, the limited irrigation facility again is a second factor कि जिसकी वजह से हमको laborers सिर्फ कम time period के लिए चाहिए, and this phases are been most in India, and this is a natural thing which we find in India, that is seasonal unemployment. Lastly, you find that many individuals do not get job according to their and they accept the degraded job as they are underemployed. क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग जिसको जॉब चाहिए होती है वो ज़्यादातर कम पैसे में कम जॉब वाली जॉब मीन्स कम पोस्ट वाली डिग्रेडेड पोस्ट वाली जॉब भी काम कर लेते हैं बिकॉज दे वांट टू गो विथ वर्किंग एंड दे एक्सेप्ट दिस एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट दे कम्स अंडर अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट बिकॉज ऑफ देयर सिचुएशन फाइनेंशियल और इकोनॉमिकल सिचुएशन की वजह से उन लोग को ये एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ता है कि वो कम ग्रेड वाली जॉब में काम कर ले and this why that's why you find that they are coming under unemployment. Like example, CA has been given the work of we can say clerk, तो वो underemployed हो गया. A person with a degree of computer engineering has to work in garage. Yes, many times you find that those who are many engineers, इसका भी example मैंने दिया था, अगर किसी ने मैकेनिकल इंजीनियर किया लेकिन उसको 5-6 हज़ार में गराज में काम करना पड़ता है, so this again becomes we can say underemployment. He has to accept the degraded job because he want to work. So this is what is happening up. There is a seasonal employment, or we can say uh, underemployment, when a person is ready to work, he is not getting the work at a current wage rate. You find that he has to accept the degraded, or we can say less time work which he have to accept. So usko bolenge underemployed. Clear? So next class we are going to learn again the 3 more types of the unemployment, and we are going to start with the measures of reducing unemployment. I hope you have been clear with these 2 points today. Write down the notes. I will be sending the PDF today, and many of you have not seen the previous lectures. Please watch it. If you have any doubt, just call it, and when you complete your notes, come to the school for checking purposes. I hope you have been clear with that. You need to come for once in a 15 days for checking your notebooks to the teachers. Okay, thank you.